Hi sir, I'm Sunida. I have heard that LIC's Jeevan Lakshya is a good plan for my children. Can you explain it to me?
Why not? As you have said, it is a wonderful plan, especially for securing the future of your children. I shall explain the details to you. Jeevan Lakshya is a non-linked with-profit endowment assurance plan. Non-linked means the plan is not connected with share market. As it is a with-profit plan, the profit from the policy is passed on to the policyholder in the form of bonus. Similar to other endowment plans, the maturity benefit is paid at the end of the term. Jeevan Lakshya is a limited payment plan where premium paying term is limited by 3 years compared to the term of the plan.
That means I need to pay premium 3 years less than term only.
Yes, exactly. The maturity benefit is paid after completion of the term, and the maturity benefit includes sum assured, total accrued bonus, and final additional bonus.
What about insurance benefits of the plan?
I am coming to it. Jeevan Lakshya provides high insurance coverage compared to other endowment plans. If something unfortunate happens to the policyholder, all the future premiums will be waived off. Annual income benefit at the rate of 10% of the sum assured will be paid to the nominee till maturity. Once the term is over, 110% of the sum assured plus accrued bonus plus final additional bonus is paid as a lump sum benefit. Let us consider an example to understand the benefit of the plan better. Let the age of the policyholder be 30 years and let the term be 21 years. Let the sum assured be 10 lakhs. First of all, let us have a look at the maturity benefit of the plan. Maturity benefit includes the sum assured of 10 lakh and bonus and final additional bonus. Current bonus rate for a 21-year policy is rupees 49 per thousand sum assured. So the yearly bonus at current rates comes to 49,000. Bonus for 21 years will be 10 lakh 29,000. Final additional bonus as per the current rates is 100 per thousand sum assured and it comes to 1 lakh. Benefits shown here are as per the declared bonus rates and can vary in the future. The total tax benefit eligibility in 18 years comes to 2,97,360. Now let us see the benefit pattern of the plan. Yearly premium of rupees 54,289 is paid for 18 years. Expected maturity amount of 21 lakhs 29,000 shall be available at the age of 51 years after the completion of the term. Total premium to be paid for the plan will be 9,57,329 and the total returns will be 21,29,000. Now let us see what will be the coverage available in the selected example. Insurance coverage pattern of Jeevan Lakshya plan is really unique. If you go through the illustration, you can see that the plan have very high coverage in the initial years. In the first year itself, there is a normal insurance coverage of 43 lakhs. The coverage shown is the total amount available if something happens to the policyholder in that particular year. It is a sum total of total income benefit at the rate of 10% of the sum assured plus 110% of sum assured plus bonus and final additional bonus which is paid at maturity. Optional riders make Jeevan Lakshya a complete insurance product. The term assurance rider, if opted, will help to give a lump sum amount along with all other benefits in case of an unfortunate insured event. Accidental death and disability benefit rider provides additional benefits in case of an accidental death or permanent disability. Critical illness rider protects you from financial loss resulting from the occurrence of major diseases. So, as I have told you earlier, Jeevan Lakshya is a good plan to protect the dreams of your family. High insurance benefits help you go forward in your life with confidence. Annual income benefit and enhanced maturity benefit ensure that educational or marriage expenses are met even if something unfortunate happens in between.
Oh, so Jeevan Lakshya is a wonderful plan for my children. Thank you, sir, for explaining all the details of LIC's Jeevan Lakshya plan.
If you want to know more about Jeevan Lakshya plan, just download the Android app Smart All-in-One Calculator from Play Store. The link is provided in the description box below.